हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं मनीषा। मैं आपके लिए लेके आई मैनेजमेंट के प्री वाई को। इंडिकेट द करेक्ट कोड फॉर द स्कोप ऑफ मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। इसका आंसर है डिमांड एनालाइज, प्रोडक्ट एनालाइज एंड कॉस्ट एनालाइज, प्राइसिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट डिसीजन, फैक्टर प्राइसिंग डिसीजन, इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंटल एनालिसिस। कि हमें क्या करना है, मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स के किस तरीके से करेक्ट कोड होता है, उस चीज़ को स्कोप होते हैं जो उस चीज़ को हमें फाइंड करना है। तो डिमांड एनालिसिस हमारा होता है, प्रोडक्शन एंड कॉस्ट एनालिसिस होता है, प्राइसिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट भी होता है, फैक्टर प्राइसिंग डिसीजन नहीं होता है, इकोनॉमिक्स एनवायरमेंटल एनालिसिस भी होता है। मैनेजरियल इकोनॉमिक्स आर developing science which generates the countless problem to determine in the scope in a clear cut way. The following fields may be considered under business economics. हम इकोनॉमिक्स के अंदर जो मैनेजरियल स्कोप आते हैं वो है डिमांड एनालिसिस एंड फोरकास्टिंग. A business firm is an economics unit which transforms productive resource into saleable goods. Since all output is means to be sold, accurate estimate of demand help of the firm is minimizing its cost of production and storage. A firm must decide its total output from before preparing its production schedule and deciding on the resource to be employed. Demand forecast serves as a guide to the management for maintaining its market sharing in competition with its rival, thereby securing its profits. Demand analyzing faculties the identification of various factors affecting the demand for a firm product. डिमांड का हमने आपको रीड करा थे, कॉस्ट एंड कॉस्ट प्रोडक्शन. ए वाइज मैनेजर वुड प्रिपेयर कॉस्ट एस्टिमेट ऑफ अ रेंज ऑफ आउटपुट, आइडेंटिफाई द फैक्टर्स कास्टिंग variation in the cost and choose the cost minimizing output level, taking up into consideration the degree of uncertainty in production and cost calculation. कि हमें एक प्रोडक्शन का जो कॉस्ट है वो कैसा रखना है, इस तरीके के बारे में हम एनालाइज करते हैं. डिप्थ में सोचते हैं कि उसकी एवरेज क्या होगी, अगर हम एक की इतनी रखेंगे तो दूसरी की कितनी होगी. प्राइसिंग डिसीजन, पॉलिसीज एंड प्रैक्टिस. सिंस आ firm's income and profit depend mainly on the price decision, the pricing policy. All the such decisions are taken after carefully analyzes the number of the nature of market in which the firms operates. Profit management. A successful business manager is one who can form more or less correct estimates of cost and revenues at a different level of output. The more successful a manager is at reducing uncertainty, the higher are the profits earned by him. Capital management. Investments are made in plant and machinery and buildings which are the plant and machinery and buildings which are the high. Therefore, capital management requires top level decision. It means capital management, planning and control of capital expenditure. It deals with cost of capital, rate of return and selection of the projects. इसमें क्या होता है कि कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट होता है कि हम कैपिटल को किस तरीके से मैनेजमेंट करते हैं, उसका रेवेन्यू क्या होता है, रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंसेस और कैपिटल एक्सपेंसेस दोनों को ही मेजरमेंट किया जाता है. प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड फॉर अ प्रोडक्ट इज मेजरमेंट बाय, कि उसको किस तरीके से मेजर करते हैं. ई डी जो हमारा वाला इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड होता है, क्यू हमारा क्वांटिटी होता है, पी हमारा प्राइस होता है, एंड क्यू होता है रिप्रेजेंट चेंजेस. तो इसका सही आंसर होगा क्यू. ई डी यानी कि प्राइस ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. Price elasticity of demand is a measure of the relationship between a change in the quantity demanded of a particular goods and a change in its price. Price elasticity of demand is a term in economics often used when discussing price sensitivity. The formula for calculating price elasticity of the demand is price elasticity of demand percentage change in quantity demand change in price. If a small change in price is accompanied by a large change in quantity demand, is the product is said to be elasticity is responsible to price changes. Convert use product stick राम जी आवे क्यों ना इस लास्ट of a large change in price is accompanied by a small amount of the change in quantity demand. Which one of the following will be appropriate pricing strategy for a new product? एक्सपेक्टेड एंड एक्सपेंडेड मार्केट, जो हमारा न्यू प्रोडक्ट को जो डिफरेंट करता है, क्या किस तरीके से बनाया जाएगा, उसको एक्सपेंडिंग करेगा मार्केट में, तो हमारा वो क्या होगा, मोनोपोली भी नहीं होगा, स्कीम में भी नहीं होगा। पेनिट्रेटिंग प्राइसिंग होता है, हाँ राइट। पेनिट्रेटिंग प्राइसिंग रेफर्स टू मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी यूज्ड बाय बिजनेस टू अट्रैक्ट कस्टमर टू अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विस। Penetration pricing is the practice of the offering a low price for a new product or service during its initial offering in order to lure customers away from competitors. This marketing strategy relies on the idea that low prices can help make a customer aware of and more willing to buy a new product. मैच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग होगा हमारा लॉस ऑफ लीडर, हमारा जो होगा जिसमें कम लीडर होते हैं, और ये हमारा जो लॉस ऑफ होगा प्रोडक्ट लाइन प्राइसिंग होगा। फर्स्ट का जो हमारा होगा सी, एनहांस प्राइसिंग क्या होता है हमारा, ओलिगो पॉली प्राइसिंग, इनहांस बेसिक पॉइंट प्राइसिंग जो हमारा होगा तीन, थर्ड का होगा ए, लोकेशन प्राइस डिफरेंशियल, स्कीमिंग प्राइसिंग बी, प्रोडक्ट्स विद हाई इनिशियल डिमांड्स। Loss leader is a product or service at a price that is not profitable but is sold or offered in order to attract new customer to sell addition or all products and services to those customers. This is a common practice when a business first enters a marketing essential. A loss leader introduce new customers to a service or products in the hope of building a customer base and scoring future recurring receive. Enhance and change, a situation in which of the pricing or rate of a security does not change between two periods. This can be over any time frame including a trading day, week, or even as much as a year. Basic point pricing system is a pricing system is which the following is: the buyer pays a base price plus a set shipping price depending on the distance from the specific location. The basic point pricing system sets a predetermined location known as the basic points, then adds a transportation change depending on how far away the buyer Here is from the location. Typically, the basic points is the same location as the manufacturing points. The shipping charge is determined disputes the actual location of the buyer or seller. In the other words, pricing includes transportation charges for the basic points regardless of the location from which the actual shipment is made. Price skimming is a product pricing strategy by from a firm charges the highest initial price that customers will pay. As the demand of the first customers is satisfied, the firm lowers the prices to attract another more price sensitive segment. Therefore, the skimming strategy gets its name from skimming successive layer of cream और कस्टमर सेगमेंट एज प्राइसिंग स्कीम के में जो हमारा होता है फर्म के चार्जेस के लिए होता है, इसमें हाईएस्ट प्राइस होता है, फिर उसको पे करना होता है कस्टमर को। इसमें डिमांड फर्स्ट की जाती है। इन केस ऑफ द फर्म मेक्स वेरीफाई इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन द डिफरेंट इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोजेक्ट द अप्रोप्रिएट प्रोजेक्ट एवेल्यूएशन टेक्निक वुड बी विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। इसका होगा हमारा कि हमें वेरीफाई करना है एवरेज एनुअल रेट ऑफ रिटर्न, पे बैक पीरियड टेक्निक, नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू टेक्निक, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंडेक्स टेक्निक्स। इसका होगा फोर द प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंडेक्स इज एन इंडेक्स that attempts to identify the relationship between cost and benefits of a proposed project through the use of a ratio calculated as PV of future cash flow investment. The ratio of 1.0 is logically the lowest acceptable measures of the index, as any value lower than 1.0 would indicate that the project's PV is less than the initial invest. As value on the profitability value index increase, so does the financial attractiveness of the proposed project. According to Henry Fayol, which one of the following combination of qualities are required in a manager? इसका जो फिजिकल मेंटल एक्सपीरियंस, एजुकेशन एंड कॉन्सेप्टुअल टेक्निकल, ह्यूमन कॉन्सेप्टुअल मेंटल एंड मॉरल। फिजिकल इसमें हमें क्या अकॉर्डिंग हैंड फॉल के अकॉर्डिंग हमें कॉम्बिनेशन करना है क्वालिटीज़ का, ठीक है। तो इसका आंसर होगा थर्ड, फिजिकल मेंटल मॉरल education, technical and experience. Henry Fayol was the first person to recognize the different qualities for manager according for himself. These qualities are physical health, vigor and address, mental ability to understand and large, judgmental, mental vigor and adaptations. Next is moral में एनर्जी, फर्मनेस, विलिंगनेस टू ये हमारी जो इनकी क्वालिटीज़ है उनको इस तरीके से उन्होंने रीड किया था। एजुकेशनल एप्टीट्यूड्स विद द मैटर्स रिलेटिव टू जनरल फंक्शनिंग टेक्निक्स particular to the functions being performed and experience arising from the work. New classical organization theory emphasis on which one of the following? इसका होगा कि न्यू क्लासिकल थ्योरी, इसका होगा हमारा a flat structure of organization. Flat organization has an organization structure with few or no levels of middle man. Engagement between staff and executed and organization structures refers to the nature of the distribution of the units and position within it, also to the nature of the relationship among those units and possibility Position, talent, flat organization differed based on how many levels to management are present in the organization and how much control managers are endured within flat organization. The number of the people directly supervised each manager is large, and the number of people in the chain of command among one is small. A manager in a flat organization possesses more responsibility than a manager in a tall organization because there is a greater number of individuals immediately below who are dependent on direction, help, and support. Moreover, managers in a flat organization rely less on guidance from superior because the number of the superiors above the manager is limited. According to Gegun's formulas of span of management, if a superior has their subordinates, what number of cross relationship would be? इसका आंसर होगा टू यानी कि सिक्स. इसके अकॉर्डिंग हमारे सिक्स होते हैं. We are going to introduce a theory of the span of management which explain the kinds of relationship that the superior can have with subordinates. He formulated a theory and suggested the number of the subordinates under one superior based on mathematical calculation. Superior subordinate relationships are based on mathematical formulae. The kind of relationship and formulae for arriving at the number of relationship is as follow. उसको हमको इसमें सिक्स होते हैं इस तरीके: डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप, क्रॉस रिलेशनशिप, ग्रुप रिलेशनशिप, टोटल नंबर ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. फॉर्मूले एन इस तरीके से. नंबर इसके सबके 2/3 2/3 है. नंबर ऑफ रिलेशनशिप भी 2/3 2/6 2/9 6/13. सबऑर्डिनेशन है वो रिलेशनशिप. In the Radiance traditionals, which one of the following is less effective style of leadership? इसका होगा चू यानी कि messenger. Redeemable different major leadership styles on the high effectiveness plan and 4 corresponding stylish on the low effectiveness plan as being where the leader of style matched the demands of the situation. Show a manager who demonstrated a high level of task orientation and low relationship orientation where it was the style that was required was called a benevolent autocrat, while a manager who applied that style of the behavior where the situation did not call for it was labeled an autocrat. The real theoretical breakthrough with Radian's 3D model was the idea that one could assess the situation and identify that behavior was most appropriate. His model relates the level of managerial effectiveness to the most appropriate use of the each. Assertion reading. Attribution theory is based on the relationship between personal perception and interpersonal behavior. Since most bias are not directly observable, people must depend upon cognition, particularly perception. इसका होगा ये बोथ ए बी राइट है, आर गुड एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द एट्रीब्यूशन थ्योरी। Attribution theory deals with how the social perceptive use information to arrive at causal explanations for events. It examines what information in a gather and how the combined to a form a causal judgments. Attribution theory is concerned with law, law and why ordinary. Attribution is theory is concerned with how and why ordinary people explain events as they do. Header 1958 believed that people are naive physiologistic trying to make sense of the social world. People tends to see causes and effects relationship even where there is none. Header didn't so much develop a theory himself as emphasis certain himself them that others took up. There were two main ideas that he put forward that becomes influence. Internal attribution, the process of assigning the causes of behavior to some internal characteristics rather than to outside force. When we explain the behavior of others, we look to ensuring internal attributes such as personality traits. For example, we attribute the behavior of a person to their personality, movies, or beliefs. External attributes, the process of assigning the causes of behaviors to some situation or events outside a person's control rather than to shame internal characteristics. When we try to explain our own behavior, we tend to make external limit attributions such as situational और environmental features। इस तरीके से आपके इंटरनल इन्वायरमेंटल हैं। ओके, आज हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया 10 क्वेश्चन। थैंक यू सो मच वॉचिंग माय वीडियो। प्लीज़ डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल।